everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're new here then my name's Eve and welcome. This is Lewis, my wee helper for today. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related videos, so hauls, unboxings, reviews, tutorials, all that kind of fun stuff, you'll find it here. So Lewis is here today to help me unbox my Roccabox, which I just got through the door along with my glossy box and P. Louise mystery box. So if the videos aren't up already, they will be up soon. So he loved helping me with my glossy box fun, so we're not being quite successful today, but we're trying, we're persevering, because I always get too excited when I get these parcels coming in. I don't want to wait until he goes to bed. So I've only had one Roccabox so far. I subscribed to it on a, I think it was around about Black Friday, I think, or I don't know, but I've got a really good student discount on it, so I subscribed. So I don't really know what they're like, so I can't comment on what they're like normally yet. So I can't remember how much they are either, so I will put that up on the screen. Comes with loads of lovely bits that Lewis is going to get everywhere. So hold that up, hold that one. So the first thing is a bottle of dry shampoo, which I love. I'm really lazy at washing my hair, and I work in an operating theatre, so I've always got my hair covered with a hat, so there's not any point in washing it too much. So there's Lewis opening it for me, and this is in the Smell Naughty. What do you smell like? Whoop. Oh, that's a gorgeous smell. Really happy with that. Always need a bottle of dry shampoo, don't we? Always run out. This is a Bella Pierre highlighter palette. Oh, this is different. I don't actually, stop it. I don't really know much about the brand Bella Pierre. I think they're quite underrated. I can remember having one of their lipsticks before and loving it. So, oh, the highlighters look pretty. Excuse my hand, it's all stained from the P. Louise mystery box one, but I'll give them a go. They're quite nice wee highlighters, I like them. This next thing is Meet Mud, Your Skin's New Friend. So I'm assuming this is a mud mask. I love a face mask. Like, I love a face mask. I've got so many of them downstairs. I just absolutely love them. So that's brilliant to have. I feel like my colour is a bit funny again. And then next thing we have is an eye mask. This is really pretty. I will probably put this in my giveaway because I do have loads of eye masks already, so that can go in a future giveaway, but it's a really nice eye mask nonetheless. And this last thing is from Balance Me. I have to put my glasses on to see this because I can't read what it says that it is. So this is a vitamin C repair serum. Okay, that's good. Just now I'm using my Nip Fab one. I was using one from Charlotte Tilbury and I loved it, but it's so expensive I couldn't buy another one. So I will give this a go once I've finished my Nip Fab. And I think that's all that's in the box. So I think this box was quite a good one. Like, so far, between this one and the first Roccabox I got, I'm quite impressed. I don't think the value is huge on this. No, like the RRP I don't think is massive on this one, but nonetheless I think that's a really nice selection of products. Personally I'd like to a wee bit of chocolate stickers, but that's just me. So no, I'm quite happy with that box. Leave me a comment down below, tell me if you get Roccabox, what you got in this month's, what subscription boxes you guys are subscribed to and what ones you think are best, because just now it's just Roccabox and Glossy Box, although over the years I've pretty much tried all of them. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know actually if you like Lewis starring in the videos, because sometimes he's an absolute pest, but other times he's cute as a button. And also hit the notification bell and subscribe so that you'll see my future videos. I will be doing these unboxings every month from now on. So that's all from us for today, so thank you so much for watching. Say bye!
Bye!
Bye! Bye!